Hi friends, welcome to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Today's topic is on a topic which is very important. Your first and main line of defense is your immune system. If your immune system is strong, your body can fight back and you can keep yourself safe. Those people whose immune systems are weak don't take proper diet, and due to deficiency of vitamins and minerals, their immune system gets weak. To boost the immune system, the thing which is most important is vitamin C. You can take citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, tangerines, etc. The second thing which is most important is dehydration. Drink plenty of water, at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Water deficiency can make your immune system weak. Try not to drink cold water, instead drink water in room temperature or warm water if possible. Today I'll share with you a recipe drink that you can take at breakfast, and you have to take it daily without any gap. To prepare this drink, you will need black seeds or black cumin seeds. You can get them easily at any Indian grocery store. Black seeds are a famous cure, curing everything except death. It removes toxins from our body, and it also is good for burning excess fat from our body. So friends, first we'll add black cumin in a mixer, then grind them to form a powder. We can store it in an airtight jar for up to 30 days. Next, you have to take oranges, cut them in half and squeeze them to extract the orange juice. You can use a juice extractor as well. You just have to take 200 milliliters of orange juice and now add 1 pinch of black cumin or black seeds powder in it and mix it well. Our drink is ready. You have to drink this drink slowly by taking small sips. Remember, you have to drink this straight away after preparing, otherwise it will have no benefit. You have to make it fresh daily and drink it daily. Another thing we can do daily is to take 1 spoon of pure honey. If you don't have diabetes, honey is most beneficial for strong immunity. One of the most important things, no matter what you do, is don't take any sort of stress. Stress is not good for your health and immunity. Try to keep yourself busy and occupied, spending quality time with your family. If you follow these steps properly, it will boost your immune system for sure and keep you safe. I'll meet you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Bye-bye.